In this video, I'm going to show how a teacher can write over a student's submission into Google Classroom using an iPad and their Apple Pencil. So I'm going to start by clicking into one of my Google classes and then into a particular assignment. And you can see I have a Thurston student who turned in 6 different file types. And I included those files because I've tried this skill on all of those 6 file types, and it worked on each one. So there's a picture, a drawing, a sheets, a Google Doc, a slideshow, and a PDF. And so you can certainly write on any of those, and you might find additional file types as well. I'm just going to open up the first one as a picture. So let's say a student took a picture of their handwritten work and submitted it into Google Classroom as a photograph. You can come in and find this pencil icon. That's the key to all of this. That pencil icon appears in the iPad version of Google Classroom, but it doesn't appear on our laptops. So once you click that pencil, you're basically looking at the tools you would typically see on a whiteboard app. So I have my photograph here that the student took, and you can see that Google Classroom auto-selected the pencil tool, and now I can interact with this much as I would on a whiteboard. If you want to switch tools, I can click on this marker tool. I can click on it again to change the color and change the thickness of the line, and then again I can just keep editing. It also has our best friend up here, the undo button, so I can always undo whatever I've done if I want to get rid of that dot there, and then I can just keep going. When I'm finished writing over this, I click Save. And you can see it saves a version of the image called Edited. And I can swipe to get to the next image. And then again, you see the pencil. This is a Google drawing. This is a spreadsheet. And again, I would just click the pencil and then do whatever editing I need to do, save, and we get that edited version. You can see that it saves some of them as sheets. I wanted also to look at the slideshow. There's that pencil icon, and I can draw right over the slideshow in exactly the same way. So there's my pencil. I can make whatever notes I need, and then I just wanted to show you this because it does have this arrow to get to the next slide. So I can continue to edit, and of course I can change tools, change colors and thicknesses, and then once I'm finished editing on each of the slides, I just click Save. And I'm going to go back just to show you what this will look like for the student. Once you do this, I'm going to X out. You can see I have now all the original files, and then the student can also see all of these edited files. Even without me returning it, the student has access to those, so they can go in and see what you've written or the marks that you've made, and can respond to those or can edit their documents however they need to. But then, of course, when you're finished grading, you can hit return.